how to add locations on Google Maps. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if this video helps, leave a like. Now let's head to the video. First you open Maps. So there are two ways to add a location on Google Maps. For example, the first one is for your own self. I chose a random place. Say I choose this place, right? I drop a pin here, and if I need a location for just myself, not on Google Maps, I have to scroll towards the left and click on add label, and then I can add the name of it is just for me, like, and for home, work, school. But if you really want to add it on Google Maps, you have to, you want it available for everyone. It's a new location. So here you will have an option of contribute. Click on that. Once you click on contribute, here there will be an option of add place. Click on add place. Once you click on add place, you have to click on edit map location. You have to choose where you want exactly the places. Click on OK. Then you can write the place name, the category, like what is it, food, shopping, service, hotels. Then you can add location within. You can add more details like what hours it is open, what website you can find the place at, what is your phone number. Those all things you can add it in detail, and they will also ask you, is this your business or you're just updating it for someone else. So this is how you add locations on Google Maps. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.